Okay guys, this is what we're doing. We got some concrete repair mix here from got it at the box store, and we gotta come all the way around this house with the product, get it here. We're gonna mix it here. We're gonna shoot it, try to get it down this pipe into their basement. So we're gonna shovel it into here, and then we gotta pull it into buckets and get it up in this crawl space. We're repairing this crawl space that somebody poured some concrete in there, and they didn't get a finish on it. They lost it, so we're trying to make it at least smooth for the customer. That's what we're doing today. All right, boys? It's supposed to rain today, so hopefully we can get this done before it rains this afternoon.
I'll get her.
So this is what we're dealing with, guys. Trying to smooth this out right here. I mean, look at when they poured this, they lost this sucker. There is really no doubt about that. They lost this pad underneath here. There ain't a lot of room to work. I got some knee pads and I got my trowels. I'm gonna try to put this product down and see how it goes. That's how we're pulling it down the chute there. I don't know how good the video is. Tuna's bringing the product to me, and I'm gonna parge it down. There's what we're doing, guys. This is like 3 bags of product here, and that's how far I've gotten. It doesn't take long to put this down. I'm just using my steel trowel to put it down. But once we get up into here, it's a lot rougher. You can see I might actually go get some regular fast setting concrete and fill some of these deeper voids, like the footprints and stuff, so that'll dry, and then I can parge over. I mean, over here there's a huge bad spot right there, so we can fill that in. It's not going to be pretty, but at least we can make it somewhat level for him, so he can put storage. He just wants to be able to store things under here. It's about a almost 20 by 20 space under here. So this is the setup, guys. Mixing it by hand, shooting it down the chute into the basement. This is the tarp we're working at. This gets mixing it all by hand. We gotta go all the way around the house to carry the product. Right, Tuna? We gotta go all the way around the back of the house with this stuff. All the way to the trailer. So we put 15 bags in there, and we're about a third done, so, of the Blue Pro Mix stuff. We got some fast setting regular concrete that we're gonna fill some of the bigger holes with, because this stuff's 17 bucks a bag. So we got this fast setting concrete here, this fast setting concrete mix. Same size bag, but it's like $5 and something. So I got 8 of these. Like I said, we're gonna fill in some of the big deep pits, and then we're gonna go back to topping with this. So that's what we're at. So this is 15 bags worth, guys. So now, like I said, we're mixing up this stuff with the stone in it, the cheaper stuff, and we're gonna fill some of these bigger holes, like these footprints here, and over along that wall there's some really big divots. This corner's got a big hollow spot, so right over there, I'm gonna fill all that in with this cheaper stuff. And even over there, I can't see it with the light very good, but over there there's some spots we're gonna fill in. You got her, Tuna?
Yeah.
I think Tuna's carrying it from way over there where the chute is.
Your flashlight on?
Yeah, just the... Okay, guys, we filled in all the deep spots with the quick setting regular 5,000 pound concrete, and that stuff's sitting right up quick. You can see all the holes. We patched the bigger stuff. We used 8 bags of that just to get it somewhat level right now. So now Big Biscuit's out there mixing up the stuff in the blue bag, the better, thinner stuff, and that's where we're at. Maybe not quite half done, probably a little over a third done right now. Hopefully we can get rolling here now with the good stuff. We got all these stupid holes filled. Getting some progress here. Got about, I don't know, over half done now. Comes tuna with a bucket. That's what we're doing today. Having fun.
Yep.
Right, tuna?
Oh yeah.
Is Jay mixing another one?
No.
No. I would say we're gonna need one more. Jay, mix one more! Yeah. This is a deep spot right here. What do you say?
So out down there lying to me, he says. I told him we didn't need that one, and he goes, "You better just shut up right now."
I'd say one more because I want to build this up right here.
Yeah,
It's pretty low right by the door here. This is pretty cool stuff to work with, guys.
Dries quick.
Yeah, it does. Dries so quick. That's good and bad. It's so dries so quick, you gotta try to blend it. Like that's already pretty hard. I'm trying to blend it in, you know. Know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Big tuna.
Oh yeah. Still looks a lot better.
Yeah, it's still ugly,
Yeah.
but it's less ugly.
Yep.
than it
Can I at
was.
least stand or kneel down in there in the boxes and stuff
Yeah.
now? That'll go into the ER
Yeah.
because you got pierced through your leg.
It's hard to level it because it ain't level. Or it's hard to trowel it because it ain't level. That's the problem. Do the rest of them out there. Okay guys, there it is. All parged. Not level, but she's smooth. Now you can use this crawl space. You can have put some storage stuff in there. Turned out pretty good, considering.